Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. It's your girl Mercy, and I'll be showing you how I made this love shape hairstyle. Please keep on watching to the end to see the full video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I gotta do it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mercy. If you're new, welcome. To my old and returning subscribers, thank you for tuning in again for this video. I'm a hairstylist based in Abuja and I make hair videos here on YouTube. Today's video is going to be a Valentine inspired hairstyle. As you can see, I don't even need to talk too much, you already know the vibe. And I did my own twists and tricks. You guys will see. Just continue watching the video and I hope you subscribe, like and share my video for more hair videos. Guys, you need to comment down below what videos you would like to see here on my channel. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. So guys, first things first, let's fix my teeth. I recently broke my tooth again, so I had to extract the teeth and I was giving them some permanent teeth. So this is how I fix my teeth before I go out. So I didn't want to do this video with half teeth, so I was like, this is how I do my teeth. And now we have teeth and we can continue the video. I can't wait to get my permanent teeth so that I can just move on my life. But let's just go straight to the video where I remain goofy as always. I actually started installing this hair on my head, but I could not. It's not easy. I don't know how beauty influencers do it when they do videos on their head. I cannot do it. So I had to switch back to using the mannequin. So this is me. I have gotten the center part. Center part is for the swoop, and I would be dividing the hair for the love shape. Then I use the hair wax to tame the flyaway, and I'm using my hot comb to lay it flat. I used this black rubber band, but it was not having it at all. It's not strong, so I had to opt to use the normal rubber band I used for my bridal hairstyle, but I didn't want to use like a pin. So after this, I'm going to be taking part of the hair and I'm going to wrap it around the rubber bands, because we cannot have rubber band, yellow rubber band for that matter, showing on our hair. Never. So I use the hair to wrap the rubber band, and I use a spritz hold. You can use the got-to-be spray. I use a spritz hold to spray on the hair and use my hot comb to make it dry faster. You can also use blow dryer, but I used my hot comb to make it dry faster. So after it is dried, we're going to go ahead with the styling. I still went ahead with the rubber band that is not strong, but at least this one did not cut, so it's actually stayed this time around. And I divided it into two. Guys, just watch the video. Like me describing it does not even make sense. Just watch it. I also did a trick at the end, so you have to watch the video to that side to see how I got the love shape more shapy and beautiful. Yeah. Because I know some people will be like, you don't have edges, why is he using glue? I don't use glue regularly on a normal day. So these edges you are seeing, I'm waiting to blow. Like, let me just blow. Let me just get one small sweet fine money like this. And I'm going to go and do hair implant. Like, I'm not even joking. I'm not like, I need to go and do hair transplant, because this cannot be my hair. But that aside, I applied the glue, then let it dry. Guys, I was so lazy to get a hand dryer, so I just sat down for a while and allowed it to dry. Then after it dried up, I started placing the wig on my head and make sure everything is laying flat, everything is popping. The love shape is already popping, but I didn't really like the way it was looking. So that's why I'm telling you that there's another video down after that you'll see later on. So I use my finger to press the lace to my scalp, to my skin. Yeah, so then I went ahead to do baby hair. Some people don't like baby hair, but me, I like baby hair. Oh. I like to do baby hair. The hair was still lifting because the glue didn't really get it. So I'm applying a little bit of amount to my skin. Oh, not my hairline, my skin. So yeah, so that at least for the time being of my installation of my video, the hair could not lift. So this is basically how I did this hairstyle. Ooh. She is back, guys. See, as I did my makeup, I was like, this bow is not bowing, no. This love shape is not love shaping, no. This heart shape is not heart shaping. Let me see how I would do it. Again, sense came, oh. Like I got the vision. I got the vision to do this, and this is so much better. Like, I had to use pin because of my band. Like me, I felt I could not do this love shape by myself, looking at myself in the mirror. But see now, they say never say never. They say what you cannot do is only in your mind. I just came up with that, by the way. So yeah, this is more like a love shape, not that one that I did. Like, oh my god, no. I'm liking this hairstyle. Let me stop talking because I know you guys are already getting annoyed by my voice. So yeah, I really like. I've never tried this year, but I want to be trying cute hairstyles back to back. Anyways, I see on Instagram and I say, okay, my mind, I can do it though. I'm going to do it. Like, I can't even, I don't want to limit myself this year. I want to go hard. I hope you guys like my hair. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. My hair is popping. Like, I really love the way the love shape finally came out. It's beautiful. Like, I love it. As you can see. Like, I'm so conscious about my teeth. I can't wait to get the permanent one so that I can like just move on with my life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I hope you find more love than you have ever received or given. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm just trying to show you why you need to subscribe to this channel. If you've gotten to this point, please don't forget to subscribe and support me as always. Follow me on TikTok at its_Mesiolofu, Instagram at Touch of Mercy and its_Mesiolofu. And thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for supporting as always. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video.